The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Norristown, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Quakertown, Percy, Doylestown, Souderton, Bedminster, Antler, Collegeville, and Chalfont. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 331 and 334. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 19. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 38. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.